Good morning. With you today, Mrs. Rabab Ahmed, your math teacher for covering lesson 6 in Unit 1 Prep 2 Algebra, which is factorizing by grouping. Let's move to slide number 2. Factorization by grouping means that you have to divide the algebraic expression into two groups. Each of them is made up of two terms or more to be factorized. To apply this type of factorization, the algebraic expression has to be made up of more than three terms. Then, divide the algebraic expression into two groups to be easy to get the highest common factor of them. Let's move to slide number 3. For example, we have 2a plus ay, 2b, by. As you see, we have 2a plus ay. Remember, we repeat a, so we have a as a common factor. So we can divide the algebraic expression 2a plus ay plus 2b plus by in two groups. I will divide the expression in two groups depend on what is the common factor between the terms. We have here 2a plus ay, so we can take a common factor. 2b plus by, we can take b as a common factor. As we see, we have a, open bracket, 2 plus y, plus b, open bracket, 2 plus y. So we have here, we have here 2 plus y and 2 plus y as a common factor between two expressions. We will take 2 plus y as a common factor. We have a plus y. So the original expression 2a plus ay plus 2b plus by factorized into 2 plus y and a plus b. Another example here, we have x to the power 3, 2x to the power 2, minus x minus 2. So we will divide the expression in two groups. The first group, x power 3 plus 2x power 2. It's not necessary to be the first and the second term, but I will choose the expressions by taking the common factor. So we have x power 3, x power 2, we have the common factor here, x power 2. Negative x, negative y, the common factor here is negative 1. So it will be x to the power 2, open bracket, x plus 2. Negative 1, it will be x plus 2. So we will take x plus 2 as a common factor. Then open x power 2 minus 1. Then x power 2 minus 1, let's remember x power 2 minus 1 is the difference between two squares. So we can factorize x to the power 2 minus 1 into x plus 1 and x minus 1. So the original expression, x power 3 plus 2x power 2 minus x minus 1, factorized into x plus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1, and each one of them is a factor to the original expression. Let's move to slide number 4. Factorize each of the following. Number 1, x power 2 plus 2xz minus 2xy minus 4yz. We will divide the expression in two brackets, which is x power 2 plus 2xz multiply negative 2xy minus 4yz. Sorry, it's not multiply plus. Sorry. So the first bracket here, x power 2 plus 2xz. We will take x as a common factor to have x plus 2z. And from the second part, we have negative 2xy, negative 4yz. So we have negative is repeated. 2 for the common factor here is 2. We have xy and yz. The common factor, it will be y. So the common factor, it will be negative 2y. So the second bracket, it will be x plus 2z. As we see, we have x plus 2z. X plus 2z is repeated in the two terms. We will take x plus 2z as a common factor. Then the remainder, it will be x minus 2y. Number 2, xy plus 5y, as you see, I raise my voice at y. We have xy, 5y, plus 7x plus 35. I will divide xy, 5y together, and 7x plus 35 together. To have y as a common factor in the first expression, it will be y, and the remainder it will be x plus 5. 7x and 35 will be factorized by taking 7 as a common factor. It will be x plus 5. So we have here x plus 5 and x plus 5. We will take x plus 5 as a common factor, so we have y plus 7. Number 3, 8mn minus 2m power 2 plus 12nl minus 3ml. We will divide the expression into groups. 8mnl minus 2m power 2 to take 2m as a common factor to get 4n minus m, and 12nl minus 3ml. We will take from 12 and 3, the common factor is 3. nl and ml, the common factor here is L. So 3L is a common factor to get 3L multiplied for N minus M. As we see, we have here a common factor, which is 4N minus M to be a common factor for N minus M, and we have 2M plus 3L. Let's move to slide number 5. We have here a power 3 plus a power 2 plus a plus 1. We will divide the expression into a power 3 plus a power 2 plus a plus 1. A power 3 plus a power 2, the common factor here, it will be a plus a plus 1. So we have a plus 1 as a common factor, and we have a power 2 plus 1. Number 5, x power 3 minus 3x power 2 plus 6x minus 18. We will divide the expression into x power 3 minus 3x power 2 plus 6x minus 18. We will take x power 2 as a common factor to have x minus 3, plus we will take 6 as a common factor. We have here a variable between 6x and 18. We have numbers only, so the common factor here will be 6. To be factorized into 6 multiply x minus 3. X minus 3 as a common factor, then we will have x minus 3 is a factor, and x power 2 plus 6 is another factor. Number 6, here we have am minus an plus m minus n. We will take a as a common factor from the first and the second term. So we have a and m minus n. The second bracket m minus n, we haven't any common factor between m and minus n. But we have here m minus n in the first part and m minus n in the second part. So we will take m minus n as a common factor to have a plus 1. That's all, and thank you for your listening.